Hi, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. Hope everyone's having a good day. I've just come along to give you a quick flick through of my nearly finished Christmas junk journal. So this is the cover. I just put it on some material and put some lace around it and some trim and put a couple of little appliques on it there. So front page, put a little number and that on there. And that's the letter from the editor. Material, put a little tag. Oh, I haven't got anything in that. Chuck a few of these things in. People might want to decorate. Okay, little pocket, a little gnome up there. The two side pockets we did. The fold out tag, another material cluster. A tag in that pocket. I'll put a big tag in this one with some seam binding. One of my covered play cards. Another little material cluster. One of these. Oh dear. That's why I shouldn't put things in before they dry. Okay. Plenty of writing spot. Now I made these. They're little corset. Put those, a little envelope inside it. Another fabric cluster. Put some goodies in the side tuck there. Same on the other side. I made some little booklets, journal booklets, out of some coffee dyed paper. Made that one into a tucking spot. Another card there. Some cards in that envelope. Put that on there. Put a little cardinal on that one. Another big tag with some little ones in front. Little holly thing in that pocket. Another big tag with some a charm on it. Filled that 3 pockets up. Another pocket here with another envelope in it. Did them all different colours. And just flip down. And you can journal on that area there. Another big tag, a reindeer charm. Excuse me. More pockets, side pockets, belly band. I'll put another little booklet to write in. Put a little robin red breast on that one. Fill those pockets up. I'll cover this page with some cutouts. Put those in that fold out. Another booklet. Just put some little cutouts on these ones. Another tag with a boot charm on it. Another corset. It's got another little envelope. I've made a little booklet in that one. Another tag, another little bird. Put me Christmas baubles down the edge there. More tags. Another card. Another pocket. And that. I've left that blank. I've left the front and the back blank. So So all I have to do now is a closure and it's finished. So there you go. I will endeavour to put that in my Facebook shop. And yeah, if anyone's interested in buying that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for those who've left a comment on my page. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much. Bye.